might be called this animal if someone thinks that you're afraid. This is something that you might eat. As well as its eggs that it laid. Which animal am I? Hi, I'm Chicken. Let's move to the next riddle. My start goes on toast, and my end's how birds move. My baby eats leaves, but I drink flowers. What am I? Hi, I'm Butterfly. It's time for question 3. The height of my legs, usually around 6 feet, is taller than most humans. What am I? Hi, I'm Giraffe. Are you ready for question 4? I fly in the air. I eat seeds and worms. I say tweet, tweet. What am I? Hi, I'm Bird. Time for question 5. I have 4 legs but no tail. Usually, I am heard only at night. What am I? Hey, I'm Frog. It's question 6 now. I jump when I walk. I sit when I stand. What am I? Kangaroo is me. Now we move to question 7. I grow down as I grow up. What am I? Howdy, I'm Goose. Are you ready for question 8? I have arms that are longer than my legs. I have been taught sign language to communicate. Who am I? Hello, I'm Gorilla. Fighting. It's question 9. I might be tiny, but I can lift things that are about 5,000 times my weight. If I want to climb a tower that is tall and mighty, what am I? It's ant. It's final question. I have horns, but I don't beep. I can jump and climb things, even if they're steep. And I like to bleat, even though I'm not a sheep. What am I? Yo, I'm Goat. Congratulations! How many riddles have you answered? Let us know your score by commenting below. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to receive new video notifications. Thank you and goodbye!